Hotel Scenario 3, ACAP Solution plus multi-Vlan. In today's digital era, hotel operation is facing many challenges, among which the network problem is particularly prominent. Have you ever thought about what kind of network solution can make hotel deployment easy and management no longer cumbersome? This set of innovative ACAP programs plus multi-Vlan will answer for you one by one. Easy deployment. Adapt to all-optical network. Adapt to all-optical network. Several steps of operation. Quickly build a stable network environment. Convenient management. AVASA platform monitoring. The AVASA platform can monitor user traffic, main and sub-router status, CPU, memory, alarm, etc. Our H8001GR is used for export router. Our H8001GR is used for reliable performance and stable network. Support for multi-Vlan configuration. Support for multi-Vlan meet a variety of network isolation and management requirements. Ultra flexible. Wi-Fi 6 support. Full support for Wi-Fi 6. Enjoy high-speed, stable wireless network. Network roaming. The Wi-Fi name of the subrouter is uniformly issued by the main router, which supports seamless roaming and free connection of the whole network. Support AVASA Portal authentication. Support AVASA Portal authentication to ensure network security and accurate verification. The advantages of the network solution are fully displayed, and the high-quality network experience is created for you. Look at this picture. The main router can use the LAN uplink or connect to an optical to electrical conversion module, and then connect to the operator's network via an Ethernet cable. Alternatively, it can use the GE10GE GPON-XG-PON-XG-SPON module to connect to the operator's network. The operator provides a VLAN 100 for internet access and a multicast VLAN 2200 at the exit. The main router is configured with one WAN port. The first WAN port is for the AVASA service and the IPTV service. The internet routing has a WAN tag of 100, enabling the main router to go online on the AVASA platform. Configure multi-Vlan on the main router. The customer network is set to VLAN 10 with the network segment 17.16.10.1023. The office network is set to VLAN 20 with the network segment 17.16.20.1024. The camera service is set to VLAN 30 with the network segment 17.16.30.1024. And the voice service is set to VLAN 40 with the network segment 17.16.40.1024. Enable the VLAN isolation function. Enable the portal authentication function on the main router on the AVASA platform. Configure the portal settings for the main router along with the portal account and password. Set the office network and customer network to require authentication, while exempting the camera service and voice service from authentication. The main router is connected to the AP via fiber. Set the SSID 1 for the 2, 4G and 5G of the customer network as hotel and bind it to VLAN 10. Set the SSID 2 for the 2, 4G and 5G of the office network as staff and bind it to VLAN 20. The LAN 1 of the AP is set as untagged by default and is connected to the IPTV service. The LAN 2 of the AP is bound to VLAN 30 and is connected to the camera service. The LAN 3 of the AP is bound to VLAN 10 and is connected to customer computers. The LAN 4 of the AP is bound to VLAN 20 and is connected to office computers. Set the voice WAN with tag 40 for the apps in the hotel lobby, hotel office areas, and guest rooms through the AVASA platform to connect to the voice service. Note, except for the voice service, which needs to be configured on the AP page. Other services are uniformly configured and issued by the main router. Type the address in your browser's address bar and press Enter to jump to the login page. Enter the username in the login window. Please refer to the product label for the initial surname and password. Step 1. Configure the Internet Route 1. Select the Net tab, and then choose one in the navigation page, in the lower page. Modify the parameters according to the data planning. Step 2. Configure multicast parameters. Select APP, then select IGMP, MLD, then select IGMP, MLD proxy, and perform the following configurations. Step 1. Configure multi-Vlan. On the web GUI of the main router, select the APP tab. In the navigation page, select VLAN Manage. On the page below, click Add and configure the parameters according to the data planning. Step 2. Enable the VLAN function. On the web GUI of the main router, select the APP tab. In the navigation page, select VLAN Manage, check the VLAN Enable option, and then click Submit. Step 3. Enable the VLAN isolation function. Select VLAN Manage, check the VLAN Isolate option, and click Submit. Step 1. Configure SSID synchronization on the main router and bind the corresponding service VLAN. In the Device Management of AVASA, in the FTTR section, click on the corresponding main router. Then, in the navigation page, select AP. In the second column, choose Generic Template. Click Edit for the default template and make the following settings. Set the SSID one of both the two. 4G and 5G for the customer network as hotel and bind it to VLAN 10. Set the SSID to both the two. 4G and 5G for the office network as staff and bind it to VLAN 20. Step 2. Configure the LAN port of the AP on the main router. On the web GUI of the main router, select the APP tab. In the navigation page, select AP Config Manage. In the second column of Common Profile, click Edit for the default template. Set the LAN1 of the AP to be untagged by default and connected to the IPTV service. Bind the LAN2 of the AP to VLAN 30 and connect it to the camera service. Bind the LAN3 of the AP to VLAN 10 and connect it to the customer's computer. Bind the LAN4 of the AP to VLAN 20 and connect it to the office computer. Step 3. Set up Voice WAN on the AP in the hotel lobby, hotel office areas, and guest rooms through the main router. Set the tag to 40 and connect it to the voice service. Select the Device Management tab. In the AP list, select the corresponding AP. Click on the AP and then select one. Click Add. And on the following pages, modify the parameters according to the data planning. Log into the web GUI of the AP, select VoIP, fill in the voice parameters. After the configuration is completed, click Apply to access the voice service. Check the online status of the main router. Select the Device Management tab. In the FTTR list, you can check the online status of the main router. Select the APP tab. In AP Manage, select AP List to view the total number of APs connected to the main router. the online status of the AP, and the number of clients under the AP. Select the corresponding AP and click Details. Then you can check the detailed information of the AP. Select the APP tab. In AP Manage, select SDA List to view the total number of Wi-Fi terminals connected to the main router. Select the corresponding terminal and click on Details. Then you can view the detailed information of the terminal.